Right, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now I'm with my Type R. You've not seen my Type R in a long time, but it's been parked up in a unit and I'm going to show you the Type R now. It's bad, so let's go. Oh, she's been neglected. So this is the state. Inside looks fairly clean, but oof, nasty. So let's start her up, see if she starts up. She probably needs a jump start, and then go from there.
Came back with a click clack, and a ting, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that are written down.
Okay, there's some sort of life in her. Jesus, my baby. Let her charge up and then see if we can start her up. Yep. And let's see if she starts up. So just to show you the state it's in, absolutely nasty. So it's not been on the channel, it's been parked up for around 5-6 months now, and we come back to it today. This is the state it's in. Apparently it was in a cover, but the state I've come back to it, I don't think so. But yeah, we're going to get it to the car wash, get it all washed, and get it out. So yeah. Right, just at car wash now. I'm going to get it washed. He's saying it's going to cost me about 45 quid. Terrible. Terrible, brother, terrible.
In the jungle.
Keep it where?
In the jungle.
In the jungle, my brother. Right. Right, so obviously I ain't done a video in some time on my Type R, and that's because I had an incident last year with the police. Be completely honest with you, stopped me, stripped my tints and stuff. Said my car's not road legal. Okay. So I had to put it through a new MOT, and then I just parked it up for a bit, and then after that I've not touched the car. It did have a service before it got parked up, and then obviously I've just been working on the other cars, but I'm here at the car wash. She's getting all cleaned up and then get parked up, so let's jump out. Go put some fuel in her, fuel inside her as well, and she's looking a lot better already. A lot better. No problem. So yeah, them mans are going to clean her up, and once it's all cleaned up I'll show you how she looks, and obviously get her back to the house. So yeah guys, there she is, fresh and clean after about 2.5 hours of cleaning her. For breeze. She's all done. Back end, yes, big HKS, big boy. All done. Now should be parked nicely here. No more shit anywhere. I would show you the engine bay, but I can't be asked getting in there. So yeah, that obviously is the Type R. We have still got my other cars, DST, that's at garage, getting some work done to it. The GTI as well, that's been parked up, and I've just been driving the 125D to and from work. So yeah, I thought, you know what, let me make a video today. I said I need to get the Type R back on the channel. It's not been on the channel for some time now, and today obviously I've got it done, got it clean. The next thing I'm going to do is actually get it for an oil change. Once the oil change is done, hopefully we'll get this car back on the road and get some videos of it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was the update on the Type R, and I'll leave you with some cinematics. So take care, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. You know, it's a short video, but it's something for you guys.